Hello, dear jelly beans. Today we are going to be doing just a look that's on the face, and it's going to be a skull that is, maybe I might do the chest. We'll see. I'm going to be doing a, what's it called? The temperature range thing. You know what I'm talking about. I can't remember the word. But we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to lay down some base colors. I'm going to use Mayron paints and just, these are going to be blue, green, yellow, and red. I'm going to go ahead and start with yellow because I have the hardest time getting a good yellow payoff. And we're just going to put that in the center of our face and in the center of our chest because I did decide that I'm going to do the chest for this. I'll speed through that process though. I just take the Mayron paints and I like to get them in kind of a thick consistency. You don't want them to be too runny or watery because they will drip down your face. But if you don't have them wet enough, they also look patchy. I use paintbrushes to paint. I don't use any special makeup brushes for this. And if you are looking for a super smooth application, you can go over it with a makeup sponge afterwards. But I usually just set with an eyeshadow. So we're going to go ahead and start with the yellow first, and then I'm going to blend it out into the green, the blue, and then the red last.
So I really have a hard time getting the yellow to be super vibrant, but I was actually pretty happy with this yellow. The paint is a little patchy if you don't use it in thick layers, but I was just using this as an underbase, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, we look a little crazy, but we are going to go in with Flex Beauty's.
Those are the Flex Beauty pigments. They are UV reactive, and I am using a powder puff to apply those. Right now we're using a yellow shade, and then we'll do the green, and we're going to transition the same way that we did with the paints. We're going to do blue, and then we'll do red last, because red, of course, bleed in with everything else and end up making purple. It doesn't have to look perfect, because it is just the base. We're going to go over everything with black here in a second, and start painting the skull and the face. We're also going to do some outlines of some bones, not filling the bones in, because we want the filled in portion of the bones to actually be the colors. This is the way that I thought it would look the most organic, and then we're just going to add some lashes, and that's it. Looks like I forgot to film an outro, but here's the finished look, and I'll throw in some pictures here in just a second.